आजादी का अमृत महोत्सव।
Azadi Ka Safar with AIR News.
18th November is the birth anniversary of the great freedom fighter and revolutionary Batukeshwar Dutt. He was born on November 18, 1910 in Bardhaman district of West Bengal. Dutt spent his early childhood in Uttar Pradesh's Kanpur and studied there. His journey as a revolutionary activist began in his early teenage years after witnessing an Indian child being brutally beaten up by the British on the Mall Road in Kanpur. The child had wandered onto the road, which was prohibited for Indians. This incident had a huge impact on Batukeshwar Dutt, and he started to seek out anti-colonial activists.
Through Suresh Chandra Bhattacharya, who was an editor at Pratap, Dutt came in contact with revolutionaries like Sachindranath Sanyal, who was co-founder of the Hindustan Republican Association. Both Batukeshwar Dutt and Bhagat Singh joined the Revolutionary Party around the same time. The friendship between them grew as they spent time in Kanpur. When Kanpur was flooded in 1924, they volunteered to help victims. Dutt also helped Bhagat Singh learn Bengali and introduced him to the poetry of Qazi Nazrul Islam, which he would often sing. On 8th April 1929, Batukeshwar Dutt and Bhagat Singh fearlessly chanted Inqilab Zindabad and Samrajyavad Ka Nash Ho as they were getting arrested for storming the Central Legislative Assembly with smoke bombs, registering their protest against the trade disputes and public safety bills.
Batukeshwar Dutt was awarded a life sentence in the assembly bomb case and was deported to the Andaman Cellular Jail. Here, he participated in 2 hunger strikes for the rights of political prisoners and against their inhuman torture. Later, he was transferred from Andaman Cellular Jail to Hazaribagh Jail in 1937. From there to Delhi Jail and finally to the Patna Jail.
He was released on September the 8th, 1938, as his health began to deteriorate due to several ailments he caught during inhuman torture in Andaman Cellular Jail. Dutt was released on the condition that he will not participate in any kind of violent political activity or will not get associated with any political formation which professed violence. Upon release, with his health recuperating, he re-engaged in revolutionary politics, thereby violating the conditions of his release.
Batukeshwar Dutt also participated in the Quit India movement in 1942 and was subsequently arrested, only to be released in 1947. Dutt died of cancer on July 20, 1965 in Delhi. He was frequently visited in the hospital by Bhagat Singh's 85-year-old mother, Vidyavati Devi, who had a lot of affection for him. She was with him during his last days. In accordance with his last wish, Dutt was cremated in Hussainiwala, Punjab, alongside Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru.